If you're looking to start streaming on the go with your mobile device using Streamlabs, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to get you streaming in no time. So let's get started. First things first, we need to download the Streamlabs mobile app. Head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android user. Search for Streamlabs and hit the download button. Once installed, open the app. You'll need to log in or create an account. You can log in with your Twitch, YouTube or Facebook account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Make sure to grant all the necessary permissions like camera, microphone and storage access. This ensures Streamlabs can capture and stream your content. Tap on the settings icon to access customization options. Here you can choose your preferred stream quality, resolutions and other settings. Adjust this based on your internet connection and device capabilities. Next we need to set up your streaming destination. Tap on the platform you want to stream to, such as Twitch or YouTube. Follow the prompts to link your account. Once connected, you can start your stream directly from the app. Hit the Go Live button, add a catchy title and description, and you're live. Engage with your audience and have fun streaming. And that's it. You've successfully set up Streamlabs Mobile for streaming in 2024.